Henderson County Health Department says dozens of COVID cases spread at a single holiday celebration. They think that cluster came from a church event the first week of December. 7 News' Melanie Palmer breaks down the numbers from Hendersonville.
75 confirmed cases so far stemming from a holiday event held here at the First Baptist Church of Hendersonville. And as the Henderson County Public Health Department continues to track possibly even more, other congregations in the area are coming together, sending prayers. A chapel filled with all the traditional sites and artifacts of a church.
We tape off every other pew and really encourage folks, to space out.
But a closer look reveals this Hendersonville House of Prayer has modified their typical routine.
We realized how important it was, for us as a church to kind of set the example.
It's all in an effort to worship safely during a pandemic.
It's always different when something that you see happening globally or nationally show up at your front door.
A lot of prayers here directed towards a different congregation only blocks away. First Baptist Church of Hendersonville.
There was a holiday celebration held over the December 5th weekend at the church, and that's where these cases originated from.
The First Baptist congregation is dealing with what the Henderson County Health Department calls a cluster of confirmed COVID-19 cases. Department spokesperson Andrew Mundhang tells us they don't know how many people attended this event. He says their contact tracers have been busy trying to figure that out.
It was a multi-day event, so we're still working to determine the number.
Signs like this now adorn the doors leading into the church in downtown Hendersonville. Leaders with the church posted a message to Facebook saying they're taking a break from on-site worship for the next 30 days, including ministry activities.
We know a lot of them, and it's always sad when folks are affected by those things.
As for Gash, he says as they continue to send their love to those at First Baptist, he tells us they plan to keep doing what they can at their own chapel to keep their congregation safe. We did reach out to leaders with this church but have yet to hear back. However, that spokesperson with the Henderson County Public Health Department tells us they're using this as a reminder for people, especially ahead of Christmas, to avoid those large gatherings. In Hendersonville, Melanie Palmer, 7 News.
If you were at that event at First Baptist, the spokesperson at the Henderson County Health Department says the first thing to do is go get tested, then contact them. More information on our website, WSPA.com.
More on the coronavirus